a pirate. He's a pirate.
Did you see that guy? With his frying bag.
TC, look it. Look it. Look it.
Jimmy,
What?
you put cheese pack in the fries and shake them up.
Hey! Mr. Camera Guy.
Hold on.
Mr. Camera Guy. Hey! Hey! What is this?
A movie.
6 hours? That's like the Titanic. Oh, let's see if I can fit. You.
Don't rip it.
I didn't rip it. Who ripped it? I didn't rip it. See? You have tape? Where'd you get these pens? Look at this pen. What is that?
This was a long time ago because that was the first Disney Mania CD. I recorded this a long time ago.
Oh, man. Hey, do you like Trevor? TC? Yes. Do you like Anton? No.
No.
He likes me, not you.
I want a SpongeBob cookie. That looks good.
He likes $4.55 milkshakes at Scotty's.
You know what?
That
thing is big. You want to see it?
No, I'm good. TC's got a butt. Oh! Oh!
My pants sagged. Pants. Look at this. That is a milkshake. That. Hold on. Okay. Just.
Is that normal?
That is big. It took me like 3 days to finish it. You want a drink?
Tipper's